How to make your hair feel soft. That's the topic of today's video. So what do I mean by soft hair? And I've gotten comments from people saying, oh, my hair feels very hard, very stiff, very coarse, dry. And then you look at something like this, very, very fluffy and very, very soft. Well, obviously the first thing is it depends on your natural texture of hair. If you have hair that's like very curly, very coarse, very thick naturally, I mean, there's nothing you can do about it except for using products and things that kind of help make your hair feel a bit softer and smoother. But other than that, there's really nothing you can do about it genetically, okay? You're born with what you're born with. So when you have hair like this, which is, I'm telling you, this is 100% human hair, and it's very, 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 very soft, right? Very, very fluffy, very, very soft. Whereas compared to this, all right, the hair does not feel soft. It feels a bit thicker, and it's a night and day difference. And you may say, I want my hair like this, which feels very, very dry, it feels very thick and coarse, right? I want it to feel a lot more fluffy and bouncy and soft like this. So what do you actually do? Well, as I mentioned, it could be coming down to the products that you're using. But honestly, in my experience, if I wanted to make someone's hair feel soft, I would use conditioner and leave the conditioner in your hair for maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or get a deep conditioning treatment and leave it on for like 15 minutes in the shower and just rinse it out afterwards. The conditioner kind of just seals the cuticle, and it really helps condition the hair and detangle the hair and helps it feel very, very, very soft. And then after that, you could use something like 25 spray, which is a kind of like a leave-in treatment spray. That's gonna help also make your hair very, very, very soft as well. Product-wise, as far as styling, a smoothing serum may help. That's gonna make it feel a little more silky. I am working on redoing Sleek. I know a lot of you loved the Sleek product, but it's in production. I'm just trying to make it a little bit better. And stay tuned for that. It could be another month or two, but I'm working on it. But a smoothing serum or a leave-in conditioner is really what's gonna help you make your hair feel unnaturally soft. Because if your hair is like this naturally, or it's not soft, again, it's genetics. Your hair is not genetically like that. So in order to counteract that, you have to use something that's not natural, and that again comes down to the products that you're using, meaning you're altering the way your hair feels. In my experience, anytime someone said to me, I want my hair to feel soft, I would just think conditioner, conditioner, conditioner. Leave the conditioner in your hair, do it anytime you wash your hair, and just let that conditioner soak in and just sit in the hair, and then rinse it out, and then maybe do a cool rinse at the end, and that really is going to help seal the cuticle and really help make the hair feel a little bit softer. Again, conditioning treatments, you can even go to a salon to get a conditioning treatment or like a keratin type treatment, but then now you're going into services and a different type of process. But those are the options. There's nothing you can do about your natural hair texture unless you alter it with, again, conditioner and other things. But let me know if you've had this issue, if you have a hair type that it is a bit more on the harder side, or like we mentioned, it's not so soft. Try this out. Let me know if you've ever come up with any solutions that have worked for you. I'd love to know. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.